But against the world.
If you do not believe in what we are doing, then you better get out. We're not going to stop.
Going to lower the flag of Nigeria and raise.
Welcome, fellow Biafran. This is a special program. I want you to listen to this very program I'm about to play. There are a lot of important informations that you're going to hear from this program to educate you. You are going to hear the voice of a female Biafran warrior. You are going to hear the heart of a mother, the speech of a mother. And I bet you, after listening to this message, your life will never remain the same. I want you to pay close attention to everything that she has to say. Let's pay attention and hear the report coming from this very female warrior of Biafra. Let's hear her out.
Everything iji wee fụ na azọpụtara isi ndị ụfọdụ na asị niile ọ na-agagharị m mana ndị chọkwara ka azọpụta ha a ga-azọpụta ha ndị na-efekwa isi bakabaka si n'ọnwụ ka ha mma maka ọ bụghị onye ọbụla ka a ga-azọpụta yes ana ya ọ bụghị onye ọbụla ka a ga-azọpụta asọpụ onye ọbụla ka eluigwe na-eche e werere ndị ga-adarịrị ebe ahụ a sịkwa na ha na-aba ma ọ bụrụ na ọkụ mmụọ so itigo n'oke olu imego ihe ị kwesịrị ime Chukwu okike abịa ma gbara na gaji so nwanne m nwaanyị ya ka m ji wee sị gị nke ugbo abụọla
sọsọ ihe nna anyị unu bụ for you people to make it know onye na-akpọ Ngozi Arabaeze ya jeje nwụọ mmiri because this thing that happened on from phone ya ka o si wee mee ama m na what I mean. That was it. This thing is a very big sabotage. Makana onye ọbụla agbachine nkịtị ndị oge nkere now ha emego ihe ahụ ha chọrọ ime onye ọbụla agbachigo nkịtị but ụlọ amagoro ebe this problem si all contacting men on the ground, which is taboo. And anytime it happens like this, our men are now fall. A man of God gave prophecy 3 or 4 days ago on somebody apota na akọ ewere gbo men kedu onye mere ji gbo men on the ground arapu igwe zolu mmiri wee chila na na-etigbu. Exactly. You cannot hide away from the truth. The truth is as plain like a sunlight. Thank you very much.
Yes, my sister, thank you so much. Even if on Amarobo, anybody for ya see now I won't do that. Might not be only or small book. Man, I na call law one. Neko, no, with the information. I am one of 5 coach. No, she knows a lot. He have one brand. Man, on the Nabi and the Fabo. If you go, you a public person. Anybody can contact you with a contact. The way they are not pocket. You will only ask what the person said he or she is. If you got the result of all everything I need. If you got the results, Echikita, if a baby or Ngozi Arabaeze on and change the phone now. Change your number. I can't try to make change your number. No fire who goes to the number. Yes, they will steal because all food they know. Yes. Because they know she's still with these people. So whosoever that was able to hack, it must be IT, it must be wizard. If you don't have that experience, you don't mean it must be about intelligence. You don't dabble into intelligence. So change go do why can't you men on the ground? Contact the band on the right channel. Contact. That is the I have forgotten. Like is it Onyame or somebody? That is secretary of yes, people who know at defense. But contact her no. na public. They know how they communicate.
On public, that's what I am saying. And when agwara ma dasia, oge m furu the ihe m furu, mkpọrọ ada etiri m mkpu, asị m ya ada. Na ihe nọ ebe a abụọzikwa ndị ma. Ọ bụrụzikwa the people there for this in free three or four times. Joy said, do you know these people? So this thing could have been averted. You understand me? But everybody is calling you, you don't know them. Do you know there is a link that will be sent on your phone? If you don't know the link and you open it, you are hacked already. That's why you don't open any link you don't know where it come about. So, ihe mere ihe asị m na ihe a bụ ihe anya mmiri. Ihe anụnwa bụ anya mmiri. Ha targeted and they did it well. Then oge nkere wee nọrọ je zuo nyazo. And o nwere nchọrọ igwu unu. Odo ọkwara oge nkere izi o. Mmụọ na-apịakwa ya ụtarị. Ọnụ oge nkere achịchọ ya. Onye a ọ na-enwe facial paralysis. Look at his mouth. Ọ na-ekwu okwu ọnụ ya. Everybody should look it very well. Ọnụ ya na-agazi one side. Ọnụ ya ahịwaga ahị. You understand? So all of them, and onye na-agwa anyị si anyị sozi na Ngozi Ọhabeze. My dear sisters, o nwekwara ihe m chọrọ iju unu na echiche onye adịghị njọ. When Bam was doing program, ihe ọ na-etinye bụ that Biafran flag dị ka nwa pieces of envelope na nwa akụkụ ebe ọ tapụrụ. That was where he was doing what he's doing. Then Sonny was staying among n'okpuru step. Oyiro Umajata. All these things, and when they the observant, then under a twinkle of an eye, Ajere was there in a big apartment well furnished with a glass door. Somebody who stays in Europe. Under Urudeg 4 months. Then Sonny Akbarawa Wekuwa, flag of all nations. Mwezia, that is set as a camera. Jirizie no. Sonny Akbarawa ne yizi apendi chieftaincy okuru. Sonny Akbarawa ne yizi code. And the funny thing is that you don't have the spirit of leadership. So say financial minister, ADPM, the main cocoa, and he hid hunger. Then where the medically tells you your medical situation. I am talking from I'm a nurse. I'm talking from a medical experience. So this morning under 2-3 months. When Simon Eba was saying, I am watching you.
Kevin, off your mic. Kevin, off your mic.
It's linked to Sonny Aparawa. Simon Eba jụrụ ajụjụ when money came into n'ụlọ anyị. Maazị Simon Eba wee jụọ ajụjụ olee ebe ego oshi. Where is this money from? That was when they moved that money to implicate Obatobie. And Ogen Kere knows about it. And this other diorama, onye gwala anyị na akpọrọ Ogen Kere ka eme account or Gmail account. The same other told us. Raile na akpọrọ ya wesi na ọ na-anya moto. Then Mama Olowu, you as a mother, pụta ya wepụta all the two mana ihe mmago. Akwụfuru ihe onye metere. Ọ ga-eji si ya wee buru nke mmụọ metere aga m ewere isi m buru mana egwu mmụọ na-atụ m onye afụbeghị mmụọ munye furu mmụọ ọ ka mma na istele away than if the truth ijije banye na asị mmụọ na-egbu anaghị n'anya n'azụ and o nwere ihe ndị be anyị na-akpọ mficha mgbe oge ma o were mficha fichapụ iwe wipe away so ihe nji na-ekwu egwu biko iyi agent oyi pụrụ shi nwụọ ọ dịghị mma this calamity ka egbochiwekwe unu sịkwa na mkpụrụ ọka finish pekwe men on ground were nwayọọ baa n'ime unu mee ihe unu kwesịrị ime Mana at the last day, I got money bonye. God bless you all.
Bless you too, my dear sister. Honestly, in short, Ibago Quarto, Eba, Ibago Quarto, where the more to add, where the Ibago Quarto, Emana, Iha Onyagara, Yanoro. I actually lose anybody. No, or our mission here. I actually lose anybody. You want all of us, Meti, Ekwokuye Biafra, everybody. So banye na this Biafra biko so ezinne m ekene gị maka na ọ bụ onye ma ihe ọ chọrọ onye ga-afụ ebe nwanne ya na-agaghị gbaa mbọ fụ na ọ trayịrị ma ya bụrụzie na nwanne ya ahụ egeghị ya ntị ọtụtụ n'ime ndị na-ege adajụ ọra mma ntị chọpụtara na ọ dagharịala hapụkwa ya ozigbo mana gị nwa ịnọ na-atrai ga-enwe ike gbazie ya gị mana okwerọ emesịa si Chukwu okike abịa ma na echilie n'aka gị na ịnwa
well ọkwanụ prọfesi ọ bụrụ na a hapụtụkwuru ya much longer all these things that pụtara na ọ bụrụ na a hapụkwuru ya much longer nsogbu gara ede. And I'm using this opportunity to talk to Mommy Anthony Patricia. Mommy, I watched your program last night. I beg of you, and with respect and humility, as a mother, we once ate from your plate. You once dish food for the Biafrans. At least I am part of people who has eaten from that plate. And I beg you, please take hatred away, whatever you have for Ngozi or whosoever. Please put it aside. I am begging you, the comment you make, I don't like it. You said that Ngozi, always when she's talking, she's nodding her head one side or the other. That Ngozi said that she is bringing forth flight to take Biafrans to Nigeria land. But that was a slip of tongue, though. But on the other hand, you put it in your program. Biafrans, that Ngozi Oradeze has made flight available. He has connived with the Finnish embassy or Finnish country, so that flight she was saying was the flight to board Saboutuer to Nigeria. This is a very big character assassination, Mama. That tomorrow you will see rendition. Are you praying for Simon Eva to be rendition? Why are you putting this guy? Take this thing, because we know you as a mother, that this thing you say is true. That Ngozi Oradeze has made flight available to take Saboutuer, let us not keep dividing this house. Mama, with due respect, okay? And I hope that we find this message well. And maybe you will revisit the message you put forth on your platform, and you will address it. Thank you, Mommy Patricia. God bless you. Thank you very much.
Sister, thank you so much. Only cheese.
Mommy Anthony Patricia.
Cheese because I don't even watch her. But I don't know. Okay, good. Now, because of these comments, you make now, okay? And I'm so many people now. I want to say this. He has slip of tongue, and they won't only above it. Now, all Namazi Simon Eba can even use his own mouth as a reference. During the time of autopilots and the Nelly of Fabu and DOS, Mazi Simon Eba was once in Ejiro, or to maybe I'm only Ejiro. Yes. So the platform Ejiro, ejiro na-eme program Maazị Simon Ekpa call in that time ọhụbeghị ene ọ ka na-emere broadcast ya ọ ka na-eme exposition ya Maazị Simon Ekpa ka m na-ekwu maka ya mgbe ahụ onwebe ebe ọ nọ ọhụbeghị spokesman ka o ji awụ prime minister or something like that I ka nọ na-eme because a ka jidere Maazị Simon Ekpa Maazị Nnamdi Kanu ọfụrụ that was the time rendition to Nigeria from Kenya newly. You want so here in another tika nearly of Eburu Idu Pota. So that time Ejiro was like Adado Rama or Mayebo or Yanoreba or Maya Noreba. You want so Ejiro was making program that time. Mazi time on the call or Obuno Woronyega collect or only
I follow the program then, yes.
Yes, we follow the program. Very good. So this kind of thing, this time on the so I really thank God. Now this is Haneji and Nello must have done, we must have had it to somebody else. How old we could as a leader or something like that, before in the previous time. So now that we are against it doesn't mean anything because anybody, even you, can even stand there. I cannot stand there on the public as a leader. Okay, can I try and no, they take 10 minutes question and answer. So what I'm saying, during that time, Maazị Simon Ekpa call in na KHU, yeah, discuss. So yeah, I say na ya forget Dr. Nelly of about the Jew. Na ya focus on Biafra because all no Biafra kaya wacho. Nelly of about the Jew shouldn't bother her. Yes, yeah, but now you know they that Biafra is dead. Biafra because on. Now, in Nelly of Biafra is dead. Biafra is dead. No like ya. Maazị Simon Ekpa on trying to, respond to that. Correct or advice. Yes, you yourself, you know that Biafra is dead.
Yes, a Burianaga.
Nothing that Biafra is dead. But that, no, people stop. It can happen to anybody. You forget. So can't have just Biafra. Amarago had this. Biafra would make that choice, and I make it go our choice.
Madam Tibuko what she said, and I am quoting her. You understand? On the program, I don't have many days. Also, because that is character assassination. This is a high propaganda of the high class for the whole one. Now, COS has made an arrangement, a flight to bring. When you watch a program, yeah, that's why I bring it to her. Say that this one did too much. Now, COS make it go arrangement, flight that will rendition. Now, only so I can yesterday come for ya. But I'm say mommy. This one is too much. Go and check her platform. You will understand this thing now. I can see a people now.
Too much.
Yes, and you know them chokware your home Biafra. You know when I mere all right now, which I know that God is in control. Imaru otu igesi we mee ekpere. Imari ihe nwere ike ịgwa Chukwu. Ọ bụghị ha na-apụta abịa date. This is the time. On this matter that is coming, Chineke mere onwe gị afa. Amụma na nze mere onwe gị afa. Chineke dedicate your son. Simon Ekpa nwere isi Biafra. Mgbe ha na-eme yodi propaganda a na-eme COS, I could remember. Ọ sị, ọ bụrụ na ihe m na-eme na imegide ụmụ Biafra. Ọ bụrụ na this fight, all this ebubo a ha na-ebu m, nnọọ ka m mebie ihe the freedom of Biafra. Whatever I lay my hands to do, on a platform with anya mmiri. Whatever I lay my hands to do, may it never prosper. May it never prosper. May it never work well. But not to save my people. May God deliver me. Simon Ekpa, I said to you, and I repeat it to the universe, you are somebody's son. We Biafrans, we are killing our own. I know wounding kind, I know wounding amumai, ndi amumai ropotala anye, I know wuna job onye buru, chim mama, from Mazin Namo de Kano. Makonya neku our land is under siege. Mporia we wire. Onya mehe we war. When we sin, we will reap and will be visited with. Imago ihe imetere. Nsia. This thing in a woman men on siege, land on siege. Opa meya ise ne mani siainaka. Osiainaka. Ise ne mani siainaka. Onaju na chukwachuchu. Ife ne mani kita osiainaka, because God gave us Mazen Namo de Kano. We Biafrans nailed him. God gave us Simon Ekpa. We Biafrans nailed him. God gave us a surrogate. The same you Biafrans. No na mo cho. Uno choki hemere Simon Ekpa. Kume ngozo arabeze. Why is she not posting things on her platform? Why the deed has been done? When Simon Ekpa was asking everybody to post on X, it's like an evidence that today it will begin to speak for us, because those evidences are on the X. Then you want to start doing those things I cross to go over. You people are looking for something to nail Ngozo Aradeze. That Ngozo Aradeze is so smart. She is so diplomatic. So Arion Chineke Purimi Henine Bara Simon Ogu Amuma Nanze Bara Simon Ogu Mwenu Nana Bara Simon Ogu Chi Simon Nefe Ebe Kino Negi na Nagi